Yo guys, RBG TV here. Says 450 rounds for this gun. This is 500 rounds. The last round we're going to be testing is this Nagila. It's 40 grain, 1875 feet per second, 22 Win Mag, aka 22 Winchester Magnum. So, made by Aguila, however you guys pronounce it. 50 round box. Came out $20 bill. Got a 30 round loaded. That's what the bullet looks like. It's flat nose. And I got a 20 round loaded. So put it in. Gun's a little dirty, so you guys know. Gun is not clean whatsoever. Function test. Put this on safety real quick. Hold the phone a little bit different away. Gonna aim for that piece of paper out there. Did have a malfunction. So that could have also been because of the way I loaded the magazine too. Not even necessarily the ammo fault. We'll try this mag out, see what happens. $50 rounds. Out of all the other 22 Magnum, I do not recommend the Nagila out of here. 2 malfunctions, 2 magazines, 50 rounds. Don't buy it. Thanks for watching RBG TV. God bless. Have a wonderful day, and be safe out there.